Starting today's workout with paused deadlifts. The video is a little speed up, by the way, for your convenience. So paused deadlifts have always been very effective for me in driving my main deadlift variation up. So I suggest trying it out. The point of paused deadlifts, as you can see, is to the main point is to train a specific sticking point of your deadlift. So for example, you see I'm pausing at the bottom of the deadlift. That is because I have a weak start and I want to get my increase the strength at the start of the deadlift. If you, for example, have problem with lockouts, you would need to pause at the knee, or in general right below your sticking point, right below where it gets hard. And the idea is that when you pause below the point where it gets hard, you're gonna train to generate a lot of force from the paused position in the spot where you're weak. You see what I'm saying? So this is the first working set, 150 kilos for RP 7, I think it was. And I did 2 more working sets after that, so 3 working sets in total. 1 more than previous week. And that is a third working set, 4 sets of 5. And I think this one was RP 8 at this point. So a little harder than I wanted, to be honest. But it's fine. So moving to bench, I'm doing touch and go bench for sets of 10. So it's a volume work, working on a size, basically. And working up to my working sets. I'm gonna do 3 sets with 10 reps each, basically. And yeah, that's the first working set, 90 kilos. And I think it was at RP 7, if I remember correctly. The idea behind touch and go bench, which, pretty much the basic bench variation you see at the gym, everybody's doing that. But for powerlifting, it's not that good, because in powerlifting you need to pause at the bottom. The reason I'm still doing it is because it has pretty good carryover for me, for my main bench variation, the pause bench. And it allows me to use a lot of weight, right? Because I don't have to pause and get used to holding the large amount of weights in my hands. So that has been working pretty well for me. That was the last working set. I think it was RP 8. And moving to squats. So squats is a problem for me right now because the knee injury. But this specific exercise does not allow me to use a lot of weight. So I'm doing a concentric pause squat. Similar to deadlifts, I'm pausing right before my sticking point and driving from there. Same concept, same idea as with paused deadlift. And I'm doing beltless for sets of 4. So this is a warm-up with, I think, 90 kilos. And so for squats, as you might know, I'm injured right now. And I'm not able to really push weights. And it feels weird. It feels weird because, if you ever trained with injury, you feel like you can push it. But when you start, you feel pain and you have to stop. And it's really bad. It's like, the analogy I can think of, it's like sneezing. Okay? So you ever had the situation when you want to sneeze and you've almost sneezed and then it just goes away and you feel like, fuck my life. Like, it's so bad. It's the same thing with squatting with injury. Like, you feel like you're gonna push it now, but you can't. It just goes away because of pain. So it's pretty bad. So right now you saw a first working set. It was 122 kilos, 4 sets of 4 reps. And this is a second working set, 127 kilos for 4 reps. And I only did 2 working sets today, not more, because I don't want to, like, for my knee, I pretty much just want to maintain any strength I have right now and get rid of the pain. Okay, getting rid of the pain is the main goal right now. So let's see. Yeah, and that was it. That was pretty much it for this workout. I would say it went pretty well. The deadlift went well. The bench went amazingly. I had amazing progress relative to the previous week. And the squat, I can't say much about squats, right, because of injury. But overall, it's not that bad for the squats. And I believe in about 2 weeks, if I do it correctly, my knee should be good. Anyway, that is it for this workout. Thank you and goodbye.